Children, today we have to start exercise 9.4, question number 1, second part. Okay, that is y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. We have to multiply. That means first here we are going to put sign of multiplication. So y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Then now you remember what we used to do? The first term of the first bracket and the second bracket as it is. Then what is the sign for the second term of the first bracket, or you can say the sign and then the term and then the second bracket as it is. Then what we do, children? We open the bracket. Okay, let's open the bracket. Y into 3y minus y into 4. Y gets multiplied inside and then similarly 8 gets multiplied inside. Into 3y. Now minus into minus. Okay, it is minus 8 into minus 4. So that becomes what? Minus minus plus. Remember that, children. Okay? Remember that. Or if you want, you can write here minus and then 8 into minus 4. Like this also we can write. Now 3 becomes 3. Y into y gives us y square minus 4y minus. Okay, this minus gets multiplied inside. So I told you we can make a sign like this. Negative sign, just the sign opposite to the sign of the terms. So here nothing is there means it's negative positive. So we make a negative sign, and when negative sign is there, so we make a positive sign. Okay, and you see same thing will come here now. What should come? 3 should become minus, and the product of 8 and 4 should come plus. The product of 8 and 3 should come minus, and the product of 8 and 4 should come plus. Let's see if it is correct or not. So this is 4y. Now this is a minus sign. We put that minus sign. 3 8s are 24. 24y. Now see, has it become negative? Get back and check. Yes, it has become negative. Okay. So what we do? We put a small sign. I told you whenever there is a minus sign before a bracket and you are opening that bracket with multiplication. When the operation is multiplication, then the sign changes. Okay, negative becomes positive and positive becomes negative. Negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative. So without checking the sign, you can directly write the product here. 8 3s are 24, which will be minus, and 8 4s are 32, which will be plus. And if you don't want to do this, do this. Okay, so minus 24y. Now minus 8 into minus 4. If you want to write like this, also you can do. 8 into minus 4. So 8 is what? Minus 8. So you change the bracket. You remove the bracket, bring the minus sign inside. Minus 8 into minus 4. 8 4s are 32. Minus minus becomes plus. Now same type of terms will get added. Same type of terms. This is a term and this is a term, which is same. How they are same, children? Because their variable is common. Okay. So 3y square remains 3y square. Now minus minus becomes plus. So 24 plus 4 gives you 28. And y remains y. Now both are negative. Yes. So their sum will also be negative. That is their answer will also be negative. So minus 28y plus 32. So this completes your second part of question number 1. Going ahead with question number 2. Where is the question number 2 now? I mean the third part of question number 1. L. Then it's a plus 2.5 L into 0.5 M. Then minus 0.5 M into 2.5 L and minus into plus, minus again 0.5 M into 0.5 M. Now we multiply. 25 into 25 gives us 625. How many decimal places, children? 1, 2. So 1, 2 and decimal. L square. Then plus 25 into 5. 25 into 5 gives us 125. Okay, you can check also. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. How many decimal places? 1, 2. Starting from the right side, 1, 2 and decimal. L into M gives us 11. Okay, then negative sign. Negative sign. The same thing, 0.5 into 2.5. So 1.25 I am writing directly. 1.25. And what is this? Again L and M. Now minus sign. 0.5 into 0.5. That is 5 5s are 25. How many decimal places? 1, 2. 1, 2. 0.25 and M into M gives us M square. Like here L into L gave us L square. Now same terms, same type of variables, like variables, common variables will get added. Okay, so the terms with common variables will get added. So you can see here LM and LM. So 1.25 minus 1.25. Correct? It will become 0. 6.25 L square plus 0 minus, 0.25 M square. So we remove the 0. Yes, it's of no use. Minus 10 to 10 I am writing 2.25. So this completes the third part of question number 1. Now we are going to continue the next question. Fourth one. Custard. Which one we have to start, children? See, I have become old now. You cannot remember. Third one we did, no? Now the fourth one. A plus 3B and X plus 5. Let's start. Ouch. First thing, variables, constants, terms, operations are changing here. Correct? So again, the first thing what we'll do, the first step is to, in place of and, we put a sign of multiplication. Let's do it. Now, first term, second bracket, second term, second bracket. Okay? 2pq into 3pq minus 2q squared. Second term, what is the second term? 3q squared plus 3q squared into 3pq minus 2q squared. Now we are going to multiply the terms which are outside the bracket with the terms which are inside the bracket. So 2pq will be multiplied to 3pq, 2pq will be multiplied to 2q squared. Similarly, 3q squared will be multiplied to 3pq, and then 3q squared will be multiplied to 2q squared. So let's start. 2pq into 3pq. Just put a bracket. What is the sign? Minus is the sign. Minus sign creates a problem when it is outside the bracket. Okay? Remember that. Inside, as it is. 2pq into 2q squared. Put the bracket. What is the sign? Plus. No tension of changing. Yes? Because the sign is plus. 3q square into 3pq. Then what is the sign? Minus. 3q square into 2q square. Now, we multiply. Parts of the common terms get added. 2 3s are 6. P and P. You can see now. So 1 plus 1. P into P gives you P square. Q into Q. Again, power is what? Nothing means 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. That is Q square. So we completed the first bracket. Then what is the sign? Minus. 2 into 2 gives us 4. P is not common, so no need to do anything. P remains P. Q into Q square. Parts will be added. What is the power here? 1. What is the power here? 2. 1 plus 2. How much? 3. So Q becomes cube. Second bracket completed. Going to the third bracket. What is the sign? Plus. What is this? 3. Multiply to the constant only. 3 into 3 gives us 9. Q square into Q. It will be multiplied. Parts will be added. But before this Q, come back. Check what? P. But P is not here. That means P is not common. So it will come as it is. So P is P. Q square into Q. Parts will be added. What is the power here? 2. What is the power here? 1. 2 plus 1. Once again, Q, Q. This bracket also completed. Going to the next bracket. What is the sign? Minus. means you will not touch 6p square q square. Going to 4p q cube. Check p q cube, p q cube. You can see they are same variables. The variables are common. You can see p here also, p here also, q cube here also, q cube here also. That means -4 and +9 will be added. So plus into minus gives us minus, correct? So I have not written the first term. This will be as it is, so we are not going to touch. And here minus plus is minus, that means 9 minus 4 gives us 5p q cube. Now sign of the greater digit. Who is the greater digit? 9. What is the sign? Plus. Plus. Then minus 6q raised to 4. Check any q raised to 4. Q raised to 4. Q raised to 4. Q raised to 4. No. So this completes question number 5. This completes question number 5. Now we are going to do the next one. Yeah. Duster. Starting with the next one. Sixth one. 3 raised to 4 a square plus 3b square and 4, nothing question number 6. Okay. Rest we are going to continue tomorrow.